Okay, so it says find the coordinates of each of the following lines, cut the x-axis and y-axis. In each case, plot these points and draw a graph of the line. Okay, so what we have here, guys, is we're going to figure out question 4 and question 7. Now, in question 4, you have y equals 3x plus 3. You have 2 points you need to find out. There's 2 different parts of this question. The first part is you put x equals 0. The second part of the question is you put y equals 0. Is everybody happy enough with that? 2 parts. Okay? Then, when you put x equals 0, x is the 0 part, and when you put y equals 0, that's 0. So what you have to find out is you have to find out what goes in here and what goes in here to find your 2 points. Okay? Let's start off. What happens when you replace x with 0? What happens? Y equals 3 times 0 plus 3. Then what happens? Y equals, put that into the calculator and you'll get 0 plus 3, which is 3. That's the point, 0, 3. You happy with that? What about the next one? What do I do when I say y equals 0? How do I do that? How do I replace?
Put the 0 equals.
Replace y with 0. 0 equals 3x plus 3. Everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
Get the x on its own. Minus 3 equals 3x. Are you happy with that? Now, I'm just going to show you a trick we do. If 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 therefore is 2 plus 1. Would you agree with that? You can spin it around, can't you? You can switch the sides. So what I'm suggesting we do is we write like this. 3x equals minus 3. Would everybody agree you're allowed to do that? And with an equal sign. You're allowed to turn them around the other way. Now what's x equal to? What happens to this 3 here? It goes underneath and you get x equals minus 1. So therefore it's minus 1, 0. So once you've completed this, you have 2 points. You have 0, 3 and minus 1, 0. So once you have these 2 points you need, you then have to go draw on your diagram. So to draw your diagram, what you're going to do is set up an XY axis, like so. Oh, sorry. Like so. And then we're going to put in our numbers, okay? Now, our numbers are going to be 0, 3 to minus 1, 0. So what I'm suggesting we do is we write down this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now, where's 0, 3 located? No, 0, 3? There. And where is minus 1, 0 located?
Right, minus 1. Yeah.
And then you draw a straight line, straight through it, and then back down again. And there's your line there. Would everybody be happy with that? You can draw it straight through the 2 points. Doesn't have to stop at 2 points. Okay, we're going to try one more. We're going to try number 7 now as well. Number 7. Everybody happy with number 7? Ready to try it out? Okay. Charlie, tell me the first step with number 7. Write down the formula.
Equals minus 0 plus 8.
Yeah, then what do we do?
Then y equals 0 minus x plus 0.
Perfect. Charlie's on a good start. Okay? Now, Barry, tell me what to do here when I use x equals 0.
It's y equals minus 2 bracket 0.
Yeah?
Plus 8.
Now, if you aren't sure, you can get your calculator out and you can do 2 bracket 0 plus 8. You happy enough with that? What do we get? 8. So what's y equal to?
It's equal to 8.
What's the point?
0, 8.
Good man. Okay. Kenny, what about this side here?
0 equals
What do we replace in here?
y.
Replace y with 0. So what do I get then? 0 equals minus 2x.
Plus 8.
Now, you want to get the x on its own. Move it across. So what happens?
Minus 2.
Minus 2x turns into plus 2x. It crosses the 0 equal sign. Where does this 2 go?
Yeah, sorry.
And where on the other side? Ta-da. It goes underneath. Okay? So here we understand it's 8 divided by 2. Anytime there's a number directly beside the x, no gap, that number always ends up underneath the other number on the other side. So, for example, if I said 3x equals 12, what happens to that 3? It goes underneath the 12 and becomes 4. Huh?
4.
Yeah. What happens if I have minus 6x equals 42? What happens to minus 6? It goes directly underneath and becomes minus 7. That's what we're doing. Okay? Every time. We've done that before. Now, what is the second point then, Kenny? The second point? We got 4. So what's the second point? 4, 0 and 0, 8. Happy with that? Okay, then go draw your diagram. And then we're going to start drawing our diagram now. And what we're going to have to get is 4, 0 and 0, 8. Okay, so I will draw the diagram like this. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is everybody happy with that? 5. This one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. What 2 points do we have? 2 points?
And
4, 0 and 0, 8. And then you go from here through to there, there, through here. And there's your line. Everybody happy with that? Okay.